What is parallel computing? Parallel computing is a computing architecture that divides a problem into smaller tasks and run them concurrently. Parallel computing is used in a wide range of applications. First application is big data analytics, artificial intelligence, weather forecasting, and scientific research. Now, data dependency analysis. Data dependency is a situation in which a program instruction refers to the data of a preceding statement. To execute several program statements in a parallel, it is necessary that each segment is dependent of other segment. A dependence graph is used to describe the dependence relationship between statements. The dependence graph. The nodes of dependence graph correspond to program instruction. Directed, in a graph is a collection of nodes and edges. So directed edges are used to order relation among the statement. Dependency among program segment arises from three sources. So which are the three sources? So first source is a control dependence. The segment corresponding to different execution branches are independent. There is no use in existing them in parallel. The semantic indicate that only one of their result should be visible, which depends on condition being tested. Second resources is resource dependence. Share a resources among instruction. If two instructions require the use of floating point unit and there is only one unit in a CPU, they cannot be done in a parallel. Third sources are data dependence. These arise because two segments update the piece of common data. Now we are taken example. In that example, A equals to A plus 1, B equals to B plus 1. Assume the value of A equals to 0. Now we are executing order. So first we will execute A. Then we will execute B. So A equals to, what is the value of A? A equals to 0 plus 1. So A equals to 1. Now B equals to B plus 1. So here B equals to, the value of B is B equals to 2. Now execute in opposite order. So in opposite order, the value of B. So value of B equals to 1 and value of A equals to 1. When these statements are scheduled in parallel, we cannot expect any one order. System may generate different outputs. Types of dependencies. Now, there are four types of dependencies. So, in that types of dependency, first we will consider the statements. So, that statements are S1 and S2. There is a dependence across S1 and S2. If there is some common element in a dep is a define and use set. Now, first type of dependency is true and flow dependence. It arises when intersection of S1 and S2 is non-empty. So, two statements are define and use is non-empty. So, what is the value of S1? S1, A equals to B plus C, and S2 is D equals to 2 into A. So, here intersection of S1 and S2. So, that is the flow dependence. Second type of dependency is anti-dependence. It arises when intersection of S2 and S1 is non-empty. So that is opposite of flow dependence. So what is flow dependence? In a flow dependence, we are taken intersection of S1 and S2. Now in the anti-dependence, we are taken intersection of S2 and S1. So dep of S2, define of S2 and use of S1. So what is the value? S1 equals to S1. Statement S1 is A equals to B plus C. Statement S2 is B equals to 0.